We are one world, and knowledge pertains to all humanity. Sometimes we do not really understand that, but bringing OER together and creating new milestones will definitely help for inclusive, equitable, quality education to be flexible and dynamic enough that it can be spread around the world. And this is one of the motives also, which I think will bring new results out of this Congress and create new steps to action. Partnerships, strategies, scenarios, solutions. This is why we are all here. From commitment to action, from action to reality, and for fulfilling of 2030 agenda of UNESCO. Education as the highest value of UNESCO and as the highest value of all of us who are believers in knowledge and definitely understanding of what every information can bring to each citizen in the world. This is why we are here today. Slovenia has had quite a story and quite a history also in this area. Starting in 1993, bringing 2 steps forward and finalizing it at our government in 2014 with a strategy of open educational resources and support of the government to create new ways, new paths and supports to our institutions, to our people, to our kids. Why we are here? Because we truly like to be recognized as a reference country in this area. And I hope that up to now, my colleagues and friends, all those who developed lots of new, highly accessible, and methodologically, pedagogically, not only convenient and user-friendly, but also content-based solutions, are those who create references for all of us.